Okay, so we're opening my box of awesomeness. I'm praying to God. We're all praying to God right now. It's not a G&G. If it is, I'll kill myself. All right, let's do this. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? Am I getting it? Okay, here we go. Okay, all right. Let's do the honors of cutting this damn box open. Praying to God. Sorry. What the hell? Oh crap, dude! Yeah, my God. What is this? Oh, dude. Sweet. Wow. Is this even good? Here, where's your? Okay, all right. I don't know. Is WE okay for AGs? I have no idea.
Do you need a knife?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Let's go back down there and work our way out. Look at this delicious.
Yeah, apparently. I think. Oh, I'm like trying to figure out. Thank you. All right. Thank you very much. Okay, does anyone know if WeTech makes a good AG?